Okay, we need to ground ourselves and get rid of static electricity. Don't try this at home. You will probably die.
This is actually a safe way of doing this.
It's actually a safe way of doing it. You're sticking it in the ground. I learned about this in like what, physics? No, it's not physics.
Electronics.
Electronics. Stick it in the ground. Now I'm going to ground myself. If I don't see you after this video, you'll know what happened. Okay, where does it go?
This big socket here, we gotta lift this lever to release the clip, and then it just drops in.
I hope I didn't build up any electricity. Here's our processor. It's in an awesome tin can. So we're going to open it up. Please read this. Important. Prior to installing, please go to your motherboard. Okay, we don't care about that. You know what we're doing, so. Micro devices, some more paper.
It's on the other side. That's just a piece of foam.
What? This? That's it right there.
That is your processor.
This is a processor. That's really small. How does this even... Can I sit it down?
You can put it down. It's alright.
Okay. This is our heat sink to make sure our processor doesn't fry. Metal. You know, the usual. Okay. Now what?
Okay, let's drop the processor in.
Okay.
Okay, so go ahead and pick it up.
Pick it up. What's this thing right here?
That is a sticker. They give you stickers
Oh,
to put on the front of your case.
I thought it'd be like on my processor.
So you can show off
I'm going to show
whatever
off
you got inside of it.
that autofocus isn't going to work. So...
You gotta pry it open. It's got flaps on the side.
Oh, there's plastic over top of this, isn't it?
Yeah. Just don't drop it.
Oh my gosh.
Grab it by the sides.
Right here?
Yeah, you don't want to touch the top or the pins.
What does that even mean?
You don't want to touch this metal part on top because
Okay.
that'll get your finger oil on it and it won't bond to the heatsink.
I can't do it without touching it. Okay.
Okay, now strip off that piece of foam.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Now take notice of those places where there's no pins. You have
Yes.
to line it up with those notches on there.
I can touch it like right here.
Yeah, the sides are fine.
In the bottom. Don't touch the bottom.
Don't touch the pins.
Don't touch the pins. So that looks like it's lined up. If I do it this way.
Yep.
So I just set it.
Yep, just drop it right on the pins. It'll socket down in. You gotta shimmy it over a little bit.
Shimmy.
You gotta like... Don't push, it'll fall in.
How about you move? I put it down. Shimmy it in for me. Did it shimmy?
Yep, it's in.
It's
And then
in.
We just take this.
Lock that sucker down so I
and
never
make sure
touch it
doesn't
again.
Come back out.
Okay, that will be never touched again by me. At least I hope not. Now this. What do we do with this?
Okay, on the bottom there's a thermal compound underneath that piece of plastic.
I feel like we need to do this over, not top the motherboard. So we're going to move over here. Okay, so this.
Yeah. That transmits the heat from the processor to the piece of metal.
So did I take this off?
You have to take off the plastic, otherwise it'll melt.
Oh gosh. Okay. So this takes away the heat and dissipates it. This is some great technology.
It
Let me
really
just say.
is.
Now, where does this go?
Okay. You gotta line up.
Here we're coming back. We're coming back now.
You gotta line up this notch with this piece of plastic, and the one on the opposite side goes over here.
So they have to be laying down like that. This isn't going to like fall apart or anything?
No, it's sturdy.
Okay. You might have to get that side. So it goes through the notch?
Yep.
Oh my gosh, I can't see a single thing. Okay.
Are you on?
I'm not
Yeah,
on
this
the
one.
actual notch. It's hard to see. I can't see. Can you see on that side?
Yeah, I can see it.
Do your side.
Okay. Okay, we are hooked on.
There goes the camera. But that side isn't.
It rocks back and forth and lifts up and does some crazy things. It's strange.
There we
There we
go.
go.
We're on. You hear that click? We're in business.
You know, you just gotta flip this lever.
See, now if that had been me doing it, there'd have been bad news. We're not exactly straight, but we don't need to be here. Computer can be a little cockeyed.
Okay. Now this cable
So we're gonna put this back here so we don't.
is power for this fan, and it goes right up here. Okay, we're on.
We're on. Now that powers the fan to the motherboard.
To the processor.
To the processor. That's what I meant. What?